everyone, Mel from Sweeney Hire, and today we're just going to quickly show you how to connect up to the pallet forks. These are our high-mech pallet forks. They have a rated capacity of 1,200 kilos or 1.2 ton, but the skid steer that we're using today, that one's rated capacity is 430 kilograms. If you are like some of our clients and just want the pallet forks on themselves, please check your own Positrack or Bobcat what the rated capacity is, because this is obviously a universal attachment and it depends on the machine's lifting capacity and not the actual pallet forks, because this would be the same pallet forks that could go on a 5-ton machine. So the other thing you need to know about this, which I will try and demo for you, I've never actually done it, maybe I'll do it once we connect up the machine, is you can actually, I'll do it once we connect up the machine because it might be a bit trickier, but these are actually adjustable. So each of these little ridges here are how wide and how narrow you can space out the pallet forks. Most people leave it on this setting. Let's connect it. Again, like other attachments, it's really easy. You come in with this kind of a motion, you lift it up slightly and then you flick it back, put down your locking pins and then pick up your locking pins and then come out to disconnect it. So let's get into it. I'll quickly just show you how easy it is to move the tines. So you have to keep this up when you're moving it, and then you pop it down like that. You can actually also, when it's up, take off the tines if you need to disassemble it to get it into the back of a ute or something. No trailer needed.
You're back on video.
Pretend that I'm still doing that one. That's one done. And two. Have I moved it into one? No, I haven't. I don't want to say like, oh, it's trickier because I'm a woman.
No.
Well, it is, you know. I don't want to be sexist about it, but it kind of is. Maybe let's try a bit of WD-40. Okay, so these haven't been moved in a while. So, because like everyone seems to use that second one in, because you know, pallet forks are pretty standard. So let's see if a bit of WD-40 can loosen her up a bit. Maybe it's oh, that's open. I'm trying to go back the way. There we go. Now forward again. This is sticking there. There we go. Okay. Move WD-40 out of the way. So I've moved that out to the outer one. I just want to make sure it's lined up properly before I stick it down. There we go. And that one's down. So that's how you move the pallet forks. Obviously they look a bit out of alignment because it was just for demo purposes. Right, so we're just going to pop these back into the standard notches so it's ready to go again for the next person. Just want to make sure I'm lining it up at that right spot. There we go. Just have to be a little bit rough with it. As you can see, this one is a little bit stiffer because we haven't used the WD-40, so might as well do some maintenance while we're at it. Get that one in. It's actually
That one slid.
there's a I don't know if that's dead or alive, but there's a red back there. Look. Looks like a bit of a maggot or something.
Yeah.
Here we go. Oh yeah, that's alive. Look at that. In 10 years in Australia and I don't even flinch at redback anymore.
Nope.
When we first arrived. Okay, so now we're quickly just going to disconnect the pallet fork. So again, it's just undoing these hitch pins. I'll just get down here because it's a little bit of an awkward angle. Okay, this one. And to make sure they're fully opened, that they line up here with this. Because if they're more in that direction, it might be still locked into the pin underneath. Everyone, that is how to connect and disconnect our Hymac pallet forks to our universal hitch Toyota skid steer. Again, universal hitch, so a standard Toyota with a Toyota hitch will be different, but I imagine it would be pretty similar. Make sure if you were hiring pallet forks only that you double check your rated lifting capacity in your machine, because even though the pallet forks might be rated for 1200, your machine might be 600 or 800 if it's a bigger machine than this one. Again, a 1.8 ton Toyota is rated for 430 kilograms. So yeah, that's what you need to know about the pallet forks. If you want to see some more tips and tricks, make sure you smash that subscribe button, and we'll catch you again next time. Thanks for watching.